Oh my, smells so good. From the CEO YouTube, basically say that it's a congratulations to the amazing milestone to reach 100,000 subscriber. Wow, silver, finish, shiny, and so perfect and beautiful. Presented to the David de America. It's so beautiful. Is this beautiful, guys? Wow. Wow. Look at that. Welcome back to my channel, the David de America. Everything about travel, food, adventure, and daily vlog. I want to show you something, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. From YouTube. Wow! My God. Oh my God. Oh my. Smells so good. Smells so good. Very nice. Oh my God. Look at that. I could not wait. I have been waiting this for a long time. Let's do unboxing, guys. Look at that. Wow. It's very firm, black box. And then this is what you get inside. It's from the CEO YouTube. Basically say that a congratulations to the amazing milestone to reach 100,000 subscriber. Wow. I also get the same thing, a small card. It's a congratulations for passing 100,000 subscriber. And then this is, guys, this is silver play button. It's light, but it looks so beautiful. Look at this. Wow! Look at this, guys. Wow. Wow! I can hang it on the wall. Silver finish, shiny, and so perfect and beautiful. Presented to the David de America for passing 100,000 subscriber. Wow! I'm so happy. I'm so happy to receive this. Achieve something for what you have done so far. After 1 year and 4 months, finally, I received this silver play button award from YouTube. For you guys who have not received this award, my advice is that keep going, keep making good video, don't give up, and productive. It's all about having fun, sharing, and making connection with all subscribers. So when you reach 100,000 subscribers, you are eligible to receive this award, receive the silver play button award from the YouTube. However, not all people who reach this point will receive this award. YouTube has set up many requirements in order you can receive this award. No scam, no spam, no strike on the copyright, no copy from other video, etc. Thank you so much for YouTube for this award. This award make me valuable because YouTube recognize my hard work. And this make me have more motivation to produce better and better video in the future. And set a new goal, of course, to have golden play button, which is 1 million subscriber. And also, thank you so much, especially for my subscriber, friend, family, coworker, and all of you who always there for me, support whatever video I make, give constructive criticism to make me better. This award is also for you guys. Again, thank you so much. I share this moment, this happiness with all you guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.